The quality assurance QA of a drug industry. The QA of the drug industry is very important because it determines the quality of the produced drugs, which indicate whether the produced drugs are complying to their specification or not. I have a program to publish a series of videos about the drug quality assurance system QA. The motivation for speaking about drug QA is to put in the hand of interested people all over the globe my practical experience in the drug industry over more than a quarter of century, which is based on hard foundation of scientific basis of pharmaceutical sciences and scientific capabilities of statistics and statistical analysis and research methodology. I graduated from the College of Pharmacy, University of Baghdad at 1976. In 1997, I began to establish my private drug industry, Arabic drug company for drug industries, ADI. I was the head of the technical committee for drug industries in Iraq while working as a director in the Center of Iraqi Ministry of Health in Baghdad. I had gained a resultant of scientific practical capabilities, which enabled me to understand and apply the Six Sigma quality assurance, which establish a qualitative scale for dealing with the drug industry and for achieving the GMP and ISO quality assurance. I have authorized many books about the drug industry QA and about statistical analysis, and now I have one copy of these two books. This book, Quality Assurance in the Drug Industry, is a book of 412 pages containing 12 chapters discussing the different aspects of drug industry quality assurance systems. The other book is this book, Statistical Analysis in Pharmaceutical and Medical Research. This book, a book of 252 pages, consisting of or containing 12 chapters only discussing the method of achieving the statistical analysis of scientific research in the field of pharmacy and medicine. The video series discusses the different statistical techniques and the QA system related to them. The normal distribution curve will be discussed in detail, illustrating its mean and standard deviation and the distribution based on the normal distribution curve, like the distribution and the distribution as the QA is concerned. The process capability of drug industrial process and their types and their compliance with the Six Sigma level are discussed, where the aspects related to the QA are emphasized on. The approximation of the binomial distribution and Poisson distribution to the normal distribution curve are discussed when discussing the QA related to the binomial distribution and the QA related to the Poisson distribution in two separate videos accordingly. The regression statistical technique is discussed, and the QA related to its parameter, the slope and the intercept, are discussed concerning their compliance to the sigma level. The correlation statistical techniques is discussed, and the QA related to its parameter. The correlation coefficient is discussed concerning its compliance, the Six Sigma level. The two important type of ANOVA, the one-way ANOVA and the two-way ANOVA, and the QA rated to them are discussed also. Thank you very much.